How to reset Instagram Explore page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down to Content Preferences. Search for Content Preferences and click on it. Then you will find all these options. At the bottom, click on Reset Suggested Content, which will lead you to this page. In here, simply click on Next at the bottom. Then, click on Reset Suggested Content at the bottom. You can also add topics if you want. Then press on Reset Suggested Content, and then you're good to go. This is how to reset Instagram Explore page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.